Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today, we have extremely dangerous heavy construction cranes. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification icon. Lifting up and installing superloads is not an easy job, especially when lives of the workers and money are at stake. In such cases, the responsibility is given to the most excellent, and there's no doubt Liebherr's LTM 1500 8.1 crawler can handle any extreme challenge. It has great load capacities, variable and derrick systems, as well as enhanced component dimensions for low-cost transport. With its long telescopic booms, you can reach incredible working heights. The best part about this crane is its electronic control gives the operator a perfect grip on the load. In the clip, they are taking away the wind turbine generator with the help of the LTM 1500 8.1. The LTM 1650 8.1 is designed for maximum performance, and the results it is showing are impressive. This monster can complete hoisting work in the 700-ton class or even higher with ease. It therefore has a nominal load capacity of 700 tons. The LTM 1650 8.1 travels with an axle load of 12 tons, complete with its 54-meter telescopic boom and the front supports. However, the rear supports are installed as a complete support box in a single hoist and connected using quick-release couplings to minimize the setup time. Yet again another Liebherr crane, the TCC 7800 is one of the biggest cranes. Its carrying capacity is 1,600 tons. In this clip you will see both the LG 1750 and the LTM 11200 9.1. The weight is 160 tons, and the hoisting height is 100 meters. Both cranes are extremely powerful. The LG 1750 could take 750 tons at the height of 193 meters, with self-leveling, whereas the Liebherr is capable of hoisting 1,200 tons of weight at up to 100 meters. Usually at such heights, the wind becomes susceptible to the weight. A little unbalance could be devastating. That's why the workers are lifting it slowly, approximately 6 to 7 meters per hour. Recently, a Chinese company, XCMG, with its amazing crane the XCA 1600, set a new world record. The mission was to dock a 90-ton heavy impeller at the highest point of 140 meters. This machine achieved that in just 40 minutes. Apart from this title, the XCA 1600 is the world's first-class wheeled crane built with advanced technology. It is also the most lightweight and smallest 1,600 tonnage crane in size. For the accurate positioning of load, there is an intelligent control system that analyzes conditions for different tasks, including geological and weather conditions. Moreover, the wheels are designed to run in all terrain. Its innovative self-folding wind power boom of 27.5 to 51.5 meters can easily lift 95 tons, with expanded to 140 meters of height. No doubt, the XCA is one of the most advanced and endurable cranes ever. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. What did you think of these technologies? Let us know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.